Alright, this is working. Trying a new camera today. You guys know how scary it is to work with a new camera. My name's Triston. I am the owner of Gaming SEO, and I am a professional SEO. This is what I do for a living. We have generated, we're doing about $150,000 a month in leads right now for our customers, primarily using YouTube. We do some other SEO stuff, but it's mostly YouTube. And what we want to do is we want to help you guys to go and make money with your gaming channels. One client has made $500,000 in the last 6 months. Okay, YouTube is an incredible tool for making money, for generating business, and for promotion and for marketing, for all these other things that you guys can do. And a lot of YouTubers, especially gamers, would absolutely love to turn their channels into a real full-time business. You know, something that they can live off of. You know, quit the 9-to-5, quit, you know, studying whatever it is you're studying and you don't want to study, and be able to dedicate your time and your attention to something you actually love. And so for a lot of people that's playing video games, but at the same time, you know, they want to learn how to edit videos and get into visual storytelling and all these other really cool things that are out there that are available to you. But your channel's not growing very quick, and you're not getting the views that you want. You're not getting new subscribers. You're not making any money off of your channel because you have to have 1,000 subscribers to get monetized, and you have 5. And I've been there. I can also tell you that I have a channel with 163 subscribers, and it makes $10,000 a month. And we sell glue. And I just mentioned another client where we're doing $500,000 in 6 months. We're selling bricks. We sell bricks on YouTube. And the traffic for gaming stuff and the opportunities to monetize gaming content is so much bigger. It's so much easier than trying to sell bricks on YouTube that it's absolutely crazy to me that people aren't trying to take advantage of it. And the thing is that there just isn't a lot of information out there. There's not a lot of information for people who actually know how to use the platform in a business sense. And one of the things I noticed, a lot of gamers, a lot of these YouTubers, they say that they want to grow, they say they want to expand, and they want to, you know, live this dream, fulfill these goals, or whatever it is that they have, but then they don't do anything to actually reach those goals, and they don't do anything to actually improve their channels. And honestly, I don't know why. I think some people just don't believe they can actually do it. I think that some people don't want to do it. I think some people like, you know, playing the victim. I think some people like saying, oh, I wish I can do this, but I just can't. Even when they're given the opportunities to go and to make these changes in their lives, they prefer to be able to complain about it than to actually, you know, enjoy the benefits of what it is that they're trying to do. And that's why I created this group. That's why I created my YouTube channel, is because I want to help people to live this dream. I want to help people to make these changes. Because I've worked in crappy 9-to-5 jobs. In fact, I had one job where I spent 12 hours a day either driving to work, sitting in traffic for an hour and a half, then driving an hour and a half home, sitting in traffic again, and sitting 8 hours on the phone as an over-the-phone interpreter, talking to dumb people, and I hated it. I have nightmares about going back to work there. Like, I am not joking. I legitimately have nightmares about going back to that job. And I don't want anybody else to have nightmares about their jobs either. I want people to do things that they enjoy. And that's, again, why I have this channel. That's why I'm providing this information. And so, if you want to really make these changes in your channel, if you really want to grow your channel, if you really want to make money off of your channel, then I'm here to help you. If not, then, you know, you're wasting your time, you're wasting my time, and there's no reason for you to be here. So, if you are still here, and if that is you who wants to make these changes, then what I invite you guys to do is to participate in the group. Ask questions, share your experiences. I'm posting polls on here. I want to know what kind of things you guys are having issues with, so that way I can share my experience as a YouTube SEO, as a channel manager, as a business owner, to help you guys to find the information that you need and to do the things that you want to do so that you can live the life that you want to live. So my camera just overheated. Let me try this again. I want to link to your channel. I want to know how many subscribers you have. I want to know your number of impressions. I want to know your click-through rate, and I want to know your average watch time. Put that information in the comments section, and I'm going to take a look, and then I'm going to go through and look at some of your channels and see if I can find anything, any kind of tips or advice that you can use to immediately see significant increases in your traffic. And then, of course, as we are able to start increasing traffic, we're going to start talking about how to monetize that traffic and how to make money off of your videos. So, that'll do it for me. My name's Triston. You have homework. Go do it. Bye.